A boy, 4 years old, was suffering from whooping cough. Medicines like Drosera, Coccus cacti, and Sine did him no good. After 1 month, the cough became so severe that after long and violent bouts of coughing, the boy was vomiting everything, and even traces of blood were seen in the vomitus. One late evening, the mother of the boy brought him to me for toothache. As I looked at his teeth, I found to my surprise that most of his teeth were carious. I gave him the homeopathy remedy Kreosotum, 200 potency, to be given every half an hour until the pain stopped. The mother of the boy came the next morning and told me that with just 2 doses, the toothache stopped, and the boy went to sleep and did not cough after that. I waited for a full day and night, and there was no cough. Such an instantaneous and miraculous cure was simply astonishing. To experiment, I gave him Nux vomica, 200 potency, to antidote the remedy. The cough started again and returned to the same intensity. Again, a dose of the same earlier given remedy did wonders. The homeopathic remedy was actually given for carious teeth, as per the Materia Medica, and it was astonishing that it cured the whooping cough. That it worked curatively against whooping cough, even though its action was disturbed by Nux vomica, shows that it was the boy's constitutional remedy.